Hey teacher friends, Jason here with Algebra Help Desk. Appreciate you stopping by our storefront here and checking out our emerging numbers on the number line worksheet. This builds off the entry-level worksheet of the same topic, number lines. This was slightly different in that we're starting off with combining numbers. Here we're combining -4 and a +3. But we don't want kids just to say -1. We want them to start at -4 and move over 3 spaces to see it's -1. We're working on their visualization skills, not so much their arithmetic skill, which is important, but as we move into linear equations and eventually quadratics and we're looking at graphs, we want our students to be able to visualize numbers, and it all starts here. The second page here, notice there's no numbers on the number line. Part of what the student needs to do here is to figure out how to scale a number line. What's a good scale for a problem such as 4 times 4? You're the teacher, so you're able to make that determinations for your students much better than I am because you know your students. I don't. Now we have the answer key. In our graphic organizer, we just list some facts about number lines. It's a line in which all row numbers can be placed. Spaces must be equal. I always like to include negative and positive numbers on my number line. I know sometimes teachers, depending on the problem or the application, may want to restrict that, and that's perfectly fine. Positive numbers go to the right. Negative numbers go to the left. Here's the answers. What we decided to do here is we scaled this number line starting at -24, and we moved forward by 4 because we're multiplying by 4. But that, once again, is a discussion you can have with your students or your students can have amongst themselves. So again, this is our emerging numbers on a number line worksheet. It's easy to edit. It's a Google document. If you're a Microsoft school, you go to File, Download, Word Doc. We try to make this graphic, we try to make the graphics not very intensive. In case you do have to convert it, you can drop it into Google Classroom super easy, and you can make whatever changes you want super easy. If you have any questions or need any help, just let me know.